Hi, my name is Scott Strohs, and this is MySQL Shorts. For this demo, we will use data in a table named Student. In this table, we have a column named Average that contains the student's grade averages based on a scale of 1 to 100. Let's look at the data by running a query that selects all the rows in the table and orders them by the grade average in descending order. We can see that we have 6 students and their grades range from 95 to 63. Let's assume we need to return the grades as letter grades on a scale of A to F. One way we can handle this is by using the case operator. Before we look at the case operator for this query, let's talk about the scale used for our letter grades. A student will get an A if their average is 95 or higher. A student will get a B if their average is between 85 and 94. A student will get a C if their average is between 75 and 84. A student will get a D if their average is between 65 and 74. And finally, a student will get an F if their grade is below 65. In this example, we start our case operator by using the keyword case. We add as many conditions as we need inside the case operator using the keyword when, and then providing the logic for the condition. Lastly, for each condition, we specify what we want to be returned if the condition is true by using the keyword then. Look at the first condition. Here we state that when the value in the average column is greater than 94, then we return the letter A. The next condition states when the value in the average column is greater than 84, then we return the letter B. Note that we don't have to specify greater than 84 and less than 95. This is because the first true condition gets used when we use multiple conditions. So, if we get to the second condition, we know that the value in the average column is lower than 95. We use similar logic for the letter grades C and D. We use an else clause to return the letter F if none of the other conditions are true. We complete the case operator by using the keyword end, and then we alias the result with the string grade. When we run this query, we see that the appropriate letter grades are returned based on the logic we provided in our case operator. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit like and subscribe. Also, there'll be a link in the description for any code or files we used during this video.